Yo, what's going on, my dudes, my peeps? So we're out here. We're on the pond day. This is crazy. The pond turned over, which means that all the algae died. So now there's no oxygen in the water. So all the fish are just swimming along the top of the water. All these mullet. I mean, look at them. There's countless mullet. They're trying to get oxygen at the top of the water. And if you look over here, look at those mullet over there. Oh my goodness. There's endless mullet right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can you not see that right there? If we get a good cast here, we'll catch upwards of 500 mullet. Oh my goodness. Just grab them. It wasn't even the best to cast. Look at this. Look at the size of that mullet right there. What is going on here?
Look at this.
Look at this. Grab them. Come up here. Grab it, Josh. Grab these fish. We're going again. We're swimming there again. Look at this. That wasn't even that good of a cast. There's just too many fish there.
Look at the amount of fish in this cast.
Flashing rocks everywhere. Now this watch out that it doesn't get in there.
Real. Use a pool. They're escaping.
Oh my goodness.
Pull it up on the bank.
What a catch. This net is loaded. Now these fish are all gonna die, so we might as well just use them for bait. You can see them out there. They're just swimming along the top of the water. Ten mullet, but compared to this, that's nothing. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy. The amount of fish in this pond, all just swimming at the top and dying, is insane. There's also some redfish in here. Like yesterday, we caught a redfish. It was probably 30 inches. It was nearly dead, and we took it and put it in over at our dock, and it swam off like easily. But these fish are all dying in here. Keep your head off there.
Yeah.
That's crazy. These buckets are getting filled up.
Now. I don't think we've done it.
Oh, we got it.
We did? Let's go!
Let's go, bro. Look at that red.
Look at the size of that thing. Put your leg in shape.
No.
Into the water. All right, let's go. We're gonna head back to the house and freeze all these fish. Man, probably a good 150, 200.